Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to delete your ColorBlock Jam account. If you're looking to delete your ColorBlock Jam account in just a few simple steps, then follow through the instructions. First of all, open up the ColorBlock Jam application on your mobile device and make sure that you're inside the home page. Now click on the gear button at the bottom right corner and this will open up settings. From the settings menu, click on legal terms. Under settings, you will see account deletion and data request button. Tap on it. And on the next page, you will see a website that says privacy.rollic.js. Simply tap on it and this will take you to your personal data deletion request page. Your player ID and PIN code will be typed in automatically. Click on login. And after you're logged in, scroll down from the privacy request page and type down an email address for yourself. Type in your correct email in the text box and then under request type, tap on account deletion and click submit. Soon after you do that, your account deletion or your data deletion request will be sent. Note that deleting your account will delete your game progress as well. By submitting the deletion request, you're opting to remove your personal data associated with the game. All of your game progress will also be lost upon account deletion, and you must be sure that you want to delete your account since the action is irreversible. Once the account is deleted, you will be able to receive an email in the email address inbox that you provided. And that's it. You can easily delete your ColorBlock Jam account in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.